Hello students, in previous class I teach you what is key and what is the super key. So what is key? Key is an attribute or a set of attribute which helps to identify a row in a table uniquely are called a key. So it is used to find a record uniquely. That's why, because there has two person having same name, two persons having same department, or two students having same their same they may be, if two brothers are there, they are using same phone numbers, and two students are in class having same name. So how can we identify the particular student, which is very important to know, because in normalization we use keys, and many of the problems are there where we use keys in database management systems. Okay, now I also teach you what is super key. A super key is a set of attributes that can identify each row or record uniquely. It has not restricted to any specific number of attribute. That means if we take the student roll number, the student marks, if the group of or the collections of attribute which helps to find the data or record uniquely, we may take. Okay, now today I'm going to teach you what is candidate key. Okay, candidate key is a super key with no redundant attribute, is also known as candidate key. Okay, or in other word, candidate key are selected from the set of super key. The only things that we take care while selecting a candidate key is that the candidate key should not have any redundant attribute. Okay, redundant attributes. So for this reason, they are also termed as minimal super key. So first to understand the word redundant attribute, what does it mean? That means कि अगर मान लीजिए अगर आप लिख रहे हैं, जैसे नाम, अगर मैं यहाँ पर एक एग्जाम्पल लिया हूँ, स्टूडेंट टेबल लिया हूँ, तो उसमें रिडंडेंट एट्रीब्यूट नहीं होना चाहिए. जैसे कि नाम है तो दो नाम हो सकते हैं, एक राम है और एक राम हो सकता है. मार्क्स दो बच्चों का मार्क्स एक हो सकता है, दो लोग एक डिपार्टमेंट में हो सकते हैं. सो देयर इज अ रिडंडेंसी. दो लोगों का कोर्स आईडी सेम हो सकता है, दो बच्चों का एक एज हो सकता है. सो ऑल दीज आर एट्रीब्यूट हैविंग देयर, they create the redundancy of the data. But the roll number, see, roll number is in every students have separate roll number, or the student id or registration number. Registration number, many students in college, they are using registration number to separate every students, or to uniquely define every students, they are using registration number also. So registration number or roll number in student table, there has roll number or registration number never having redundant data. Okay, so non-redundant, none, it is called non-redundant. नॉन रिडंडेंट मीन्स द रिपीटेशन यहाँ नहीं होंगे, हो सकते हैं. इसमें कोई भी ऐसा डेटा नहीं है जो रिपीटेशंस हो सकता है. दो लोगों का दो बच्चों का एक ही रोल नंबर कभी नहीं होगा, दो लोगों का एक ही रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर कभी नहीं होगा. सो ये नन. तो यहाँ पर है कि कैंडिडेट की इज दैट द कैंडिडेट की शुड नॉट हैव एनी रिडंडेंट एट्रीब्यूट. उसका रिडंडेंट एट्रीब्यूट नहीं हो सकता. लेकिन अगर स्टूडेंट्स का नेम लेते हैं, स्टूडेंट नेम लेते हैं, स्टूडेंट मार्क्स लेते हैं, अगर डिपार्टमेंट लेते हैं, कोर्स आईडी लेते हैं, एज लेते हैं, तो इनका डेटा जो है रिडंडेंट हो सकता है, होगा, हो भी सकता है, होगा ही. ओके, सो इनको हम कैंडिडेट की नहीं बोलते हैं. लेकिन अगर उस टेबल में रोल नंबर है, रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर, तो दीज आर द कैंडिडेट की. ओके, रोल नंबर, रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर आर द कैंडिडेट की. Okay, so yeah, one more thing, the keyword is redundant attribute. Now second is primary key. What is primary key? So primary key is a field. Primary key is a field in a table which uniquely identifies which uniquely identifies each row or record in a database table. In a database table. Sorry. Or you can say that primary key must have primary key must have only one primary key which may consist of single or multiple field. Single or multiple field. Okay. So when multiple fields are used as a primary key, they are called a composite key. So two things are there. It is unique and not null. That means every time it is unique. Two things are there. It must be unique and not null. And primary key value will have to users, the value will give to the users, not to take from the users. So two things are there which is very measurable in primary key. First is it should be unique. So first, roll number should be unique or registration number should be unique, and the place never be null. Student field, it may be null or it may be blank. Marks may be blank or null. Department may be null. Okay. Course ID may be null. Age, students may not be give their age. Okay. They must be give their date of birth, but it is not necessary. If anyone forget to give their age or date of birth, then so it may be null. Okay. So but roll number, registration number, these two fields never be null, and these two fields are issued to students. Students take from college or their schools, but college never take these fields from students. They issued. Okay. So these two fields never be null, and these two fields are unique. So these are the primary key of a student table. Okay. So these are all about primary key and candidate key. Okay. Thank you.